let's see what we can do. Let's start up a new file. I want to sample. So sample dot so okay. So now we want to write a smart contract showing you some very few things on how to deposit funds. Since we're dealing with solidity, it's Italy in particular. Deposit, withdraw, and that's withdrawing to an address and also to get balance. So we're going to do that very, very fast with that. And then we'll deploy and see how to interact with this smart contract. So we're going to start with the license, which is very important. License. Sorry. Okay, then the version. For this version, we'll be using this version. So let's just name our contract, send, withdraw, deposit. So okay. So let's start by stating a variable and with publicity public. Let's call it. mm, okay, sorry. Let's call it balance received. Okay, so I just want to use that for sorry. And then we're going to state the function for deposit. Okay. Now visibility public. See this payable is a modifier that shows that this wants to receive ether. So that's why you see the payable. Then once you have this payable, it shows you wants to receive ether. So that's why you have the modifier there. And we're gonna do this. Balance received plus sorry, plus equals to MSG value. Now this MSG value talks about the amount of ether that comes in. It could be any amount. It's not determined. In some cases, sometimes it could be determined with this function saying if sorry, if you have MSG that value, you know, equals to 1 ether, but we're really not going to be doing that right now. Okay, so we're really not going to be doing that right now. Sorry, uh, not in this case. Okay, so we're going to set another function. The function for checking balance. So we say get balance, get balance. So we have this. We're going to set the public, the visibility public view returns. Now, to understand why it is viewed, this is just to show that this state can be read but cannot be modified. That's why you have the view function here. Okay, so get this. Oh, sorry. We're gonna state a variable there, an unsigned integer. So we're going into the curly bracket. We return. Let's say we want to return exactly address. The reason why you're seeing this address this time is we're talking about the contract, the address of this or contract balance. And so that is the static function that to get balance. So let's check a function to withdraw to address function. withdraw to address. Now this is like sending so we state an address that is payable, that is address that is will have the ability to receive because of this modifier. So two, and of course we state public, and so it's gonna be we're gonna transfer while we're transferring it from our balance received, right? Oh, sorry. We have this. What's happening there? Let's check what the issue is. This expression is not callable. Okay. And why is it not callable? Transfer from, sorry, not here. It can be callable from that angle to be callable from here. Okay, so that has been fixed. Now the virtual machine is able to understand this. Of course, it's been sent to bytecode. So let's try to deploy this and see what happens. Okay, we're gonna use this particular smart card, particular address to deploy. And let's delete this other one. From earlier, deploy. So you can see we have a deposit. Let's see balance, nothing there. The balance is zero. Let's try to see if we can deposit ether. Let's say we deposit let's say 3 ether, and you notice. Okay, so that's to show you. But once you deploy a contract, of course, you need a fee, transaction fee, gas fee, whatever you call it, in order for you to be able to successfully. You can see the value 3 ether, which is 3 times 10 raised to power 18 way. You can open it and see the details that are here. So this is just interacting. You can see the transaction cost and the rest of it. Okay, and now we deposit 3 ether. So let's check if it reflects. Okay, so it has reflected, and it has reflected. So let's say we want to send some amount of ether to a particular address. So let's pick one of these addresses here where you have 100 as, let's say 100. So let's pick this address. Let's copy the address. Okay, so copy it, and then we paste it here, and then we click let's say Twitter. Let's click on withdraw. Oh, it really didn't work. It didn't work. So let's reduce Twitter. I think because of the fee. So let's withdraw again. Okay, now it worked. So I don't know why it was a pending transaction has been related to initial state. The call function should be payable if the same value, and the value sent should be less than the current balance if the transaction failed for having try increasing the gas limit gently. So you can see why. Let's see. It's now 0. Okay, so our it balance is 0. You can see it's 0. So I think better you could understand how we make a. Thank you very much for listening. Thank you.